officer will now present the awards to the proud winners. Sword of Honor, awarded to the best all-round gentleman cadet amongst all three cadets training wings. Wing Cadet Quartermaster Sachin Kumar. Army Training Command Bronze Medal. Wing Cadet Quartermaster Sachin Kumar. Cadets Training Wing Gold Medal. Wing Cadet Quartermaster Sachin Kumar. Army Training Command Silver Medal. Wing Cadet Captain Poojan Thapa. Cadets Training Wing Silver Medal. Wing Cadet Captain Poojan Thapa. Cadets Training Wing Bronze Medal. Platoon Cadet Captain Prashant Kumar. The General Officer Commanding in Chief, Army Training Command Banner, Arjun Platoon. The reviewing officer will now address the parade.
Greetings and good morning to all of you on this pleasant Saturday morning. Major General C. Mani, Deputy Commandant and Chief Instructor, senior officers, instructors and staff of Cadets Training Wing and Military College of Telecommunication Engineering, gentlemen cadets of the Cadets Training Wing, ladies and gentlemen, it's indeed a pleasure and privilege for me to be with you all today. It's a very special day for the CDW and MCT to host this first ever passing out parade in the present form from the sacred soils of our alma mater. We all present here, and especially the TES 35 course, are fortunate to be part of this historical trend-setting event. The recent date of this event, the successful gentlemen cadets of the TES 35 course, you have completed the most challenging training curriculum and achieved a very important milestone in your life. This opens the doors of the great Indian Army for you. This event is being live streamed on social media, another first of its kind. I want to congratulate the proud parents, friends, and well-wishers of the gentlemen cadets. I also want to convey my greetings to the large number of Army officers, veterans, and well-wishers of the Indian Army and the Corps of Signals. We thank you for your support and good wishes. It was a treat today to watch this magnificent parade. I want to congratulate each and every gentleman cadet on this parade ground for an extraordinary performance. It is testimony to the sustained hard work put in by all of you. A special shabash to the passing out course TES 35. You all have made us proud. I am aware of the monumental efforts and hard work put in by Colonel Aniruddha Sakre and his team of dedicated officers, instructors, and staff at the Cadets Training Wing. A job very well done. You all deserve to be proud of your achievement. Well done and shabash also to all my colleagues at Military College of Telecommunication Engineering who worked tirelessly to make this event a success. The world is bravely fighting against the coronavirus pandemic. It has accelerated the technology absorption in all walks of life. Technology leaders and specialists like you are in most demand. Rather, you are the most in-demand commodity in all spheres of society, including the Indian Army. You have the right skill sets and competence to be the pivot of the modern Indian Army. Indian Army's drive to absorb and exploit emerging technologies is spearheaded by Military College of Telecommunication Engineering. Our core strengths will be artificial intelligence, big data, 5G, software-defined radios, quantum computing, and the advanced cyber operations. We shall be the prime movers and leaders in this path-breaking technologies, and we welcome the passing out course in our fold. The training which you underwent for last 4 years was aimed to make you mentally tough, physically fit, and professionally competent to face the challenges in your life ahead. We live in an era where technology promises both wondrous possibilities and profound disruptions. And this in turn is driving operational doctrines in armies all across the world. The battlefield of the 21st century is envisaged to be volatile, uncertain, complex, in addition to being multidimensional to include non-contact warfare, cyber operations, info operations, and space operations. Amongst the new generation of officers, you form part of an elite group who have been equipped with a potent blend of technical proficiency and sound military training, and hence are best placed to lead the transformation of the modern Indian Army. Essence of being an officer in the Indian Army is to be a sound leader of men. The art of war dictates application of not only military doctrine, tactics, weapons and equipment, but also a professionally competent, physically fit and morally upright, sound leader in order to achieve the desired results. Effective leadership continues to be of paramount importance for determining the outcome of wars. You as young leaders in your battalions and regiments shall be expected and required to lead by example. Remember, the man behind the machine shall always be the decisive and the battle-winning factor. This magnificent institution, the Cadets Training Wing of MCT, has a glorious history of producing officers who have always displayed physical and moral courage in the face of extreme challenges. As you cross the Antim Pag today, you will be stepping into the life of a warrior, just like the 866 officers who have passed out from this prestigious institution so far. All of them have trailblazed a path for you to follow and emulate. 6 Shaurya Chakras, 21 Sena medals. Yes, 6 Shaurya Chakras and 21 Sena medals and a plethora of other honors and awards are a testimony to the ethos and glorious traditions of your alma mater. I am confident that each one of you passing out of the hallowed portals of this wing would take upon yourself to bring further glory not only to this institution but also to the Indian Army as well. I also take this opportunity to compliment all the award winners. Wing Cadet Quartermaster Sachin Kumar for being awarded the prestigious Sword of Honor and the GOC NCR Bronze Medal. Well done. Wing Cadet Captain Poojan Thapa for the award of GOC NCR Silver Medal. Well done. And the Platoon Cadet Captain Prashant Kumar for standing third in order of merit at CDW MCT. Well done again. And finally, I would like to congratulate the gentlemen cadets of the Arjun Platoon for winning the coveted GOC-NC R-Track banner. Very well done, keep it up. Finally, I would like to wish each one of you all the best in all your future endeavors. To the passing out course, I convey my best wishes for a successful career in the armed forces. Tivra Chaukas, Jai Hind.
passing out gentlemen cadets are now all set to take formal leave of this academy. For them, the hour has come to bid adieu to the wing, which has been their home for 3 years. They will now come forward in slow march past the saluting dais, taking their final steps.
सफल gentlemen cadet, वारी वारी से, धीरे चाल से, अंतिम पग से गुजरेगा। परेड, डनवाई गॉन, डनवाई से, धीरे चल।
Now, ladies and gentlemen, comes the defining moment, the time for which the solemn ceremony is held. The passing out gentlemen cadets will go past the saluting dais in slow march, taking their final steps through the Antim Pag. No doubt, for the passing out cadets, this is a sense of achievement, and for their parents, a sense of immense pride. But unheard and unfelt is the transformation and expectation this occasion demands from each one of them. A momentous occasion indeed, unforgettable and enthralling. I'm sure they will forever relive this occasion. Technical Entry Scheme Course Serial 35, which is getting commissioned today, consists of 30 Indian gentlemen cadets and 3 gentlemen cadets from Bhutan. The course has 5 half blues and 9 merit cards, 3 gold torches, 2 silver torches and 4 bronze torches. The way these gentlemen cadets have shown unflinching dedication towards their training, continuing with the same spirit, these brave hearts will climb the apex of excellence and professionalism wherever they are, and will not only make the Indian Army, but the whole country feel proud and confident in their capabilities.
वृक्ष हो भले खड़े, हो घने, हो बड़े, एक पत्र छाओ भी, मांग मत, मांग मत, मांग मत, अग्निपथ, अग्निपथ, अग्निपथ। तू ना थमेगा कभी, तू ना रुकेगा कभी, तू ना मुड़ेगा कभी, कर शपथ, कर शपथ, कर शपथ, अग्निपथ, अग्निपथ, अग्निपथ। ये महान दृश्य है, चल रहा मनुष्य है, अश्रु श्वेत रक्त से लथपथ, 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 अग्निपथ, अग्निपथ, अग्निपथ।
remarkable parade exhibiting the highest standards of highly coordinated drill movements and immaculate turnout showcased by the Gentlemen Cadets of Cadets Training Wing, Military College of Telecommunication Engineering, Mau. We shall resume with the live streaming of the pipping ceremony at 0855 hours.